WhiteFox awarded $1 million Phase I of a multi-phase drone defense contract to Fortify South Asia's critical infrastructure. WhiteFox Defense Technologies, a prominent player in advanced airspace management and counter-drone defense solutions, has recently announced a $1 million contract in South Asia. This contract, representing the initial phase of a larger multi-phase project, aims to bolster the safety and security of critical infrastructure and lives in South Asia amidst escalating concerns globally regarding drone-related threats. In recent times, the use of drones for criminal activity has surged, posing significant risks to critical infrastructure, national security, and public safety on a global scale. The accessibility of drone technology has facilitated its exploitation for surveillance, unauthorized data collection, and disruptive activities, emphasizing the urgent need for effective drone defense systems. L.R. Fox, Chief Executive Officer of WhiteFox, highlighted the significance of this contract, stating, "This contract marks a significant milestone in our mission to create a safer world. The growing threats posed by rogue drones require advanced solutions, and WhiteFox is at the forefront of delivering these essential technologies. Our DroneFox NS system is uniquely designed to provide comprehensive protection against unauthorized drones, ensuring the safety of critical infrastructure and the public." Echoing this sentiment, Manu Srivastava, Chief Revenue Officer of WhiteFox, emphasized, "The implementation of our DroneFox NS system in South Asia is a testament to our global reach and the effectiveness of our solutions. We are committed to customizing and integrating our technology to meet the specific needs of our clients, ensuring enhanced drone detection and protection for vital installations and events." The contracted services will involve the provision of a customized DroneFox NS system, a radio frequency (RF) based technology proficient in detecting, locating, identifying, and classifying drones. The system offers multiple safe drone mitigation options and is engineered for increased capability, durability, and mobility. The contract's key focus areas include customization and integration of DroneFox NS systems for advanced drone detection and protection, efficient integration of customized DroneFox NS to achieve enhanced drone detection within the specified area, and ensuring seamless data storage and management capabilities. DroneFox NS has demonstrated its effectiveness in protecting critical infrastructure, airports, border surveillance, prisons, and providing base and force protection. Its versatility and effectiveness render it a crucial asset in countering the growing drone threats. Integration of counter-drone technology is critical to the effective use of commercial drones at scale around the world, allowing stakeholders to distinguish between authorized and unauthorized flights. WhiteFox Defense Technologies, headquartered in California, is a leading global technology company specializing in innovative solutions for airspace management and counter-drone defense. With a commitment to advancing the safe integration of drones into society, WhiteFox offers worldwide drone airspace security solutions promoting trusted autonomy through transparency and accountability in our skies. The company is dedicated to pushing technological boundaries to create a safer and more secure airspace, delivering cutting-edge products and services to industries worldwide.